How to get Steam games cheaper 2026. To get Steam games cheaper, you have to utilize seasonal sales, track historical pricing data via the dedicated monitoring databases, and purchase authorized digital keys from licensed third-party storefronts. You can use SteamDB. You simply have to check the SteamDB to view a game's entire price history across different global regions. This reveals the absolute lowest historical price flow, so you can avoid overpaying during weaker sales. And you can also use the aggregator alerts, set up automated email price tracking through the Is There Any Deal site, and the platform scans multiple authorized stores simultaneously to pinpoint active discounts. You can also use browser extensions to get the historical lows and competing store prices. Hope this video helps you out a lot. If you have any questions or queries, do comment down.